Yang yang dia masuk. Silofa. Doch. Puasa walang sini ay sa paaya Red.
Malo pa tua.
Next day, it's all done.
Kasi nga wala na kumay order ko na lang. Sa mga pagkakasya. Uy, ang ano ni.
Yeah, you're betting on no sin.
These are the main people we talk about. We can't make the decision for them to go on a mission. We don't want them to go on missions for the wrong reason. But we want them to have all of the information possible and to have experiences where testimonies are shared, where information is shared, where the Spirit is felt to help them make a decision. So these are the members of the family that would be next in line to serve missions. And we're just wondering maybe if you could take a minute before we do the priesthood dedication of the home, if you could just share your thoughts, and maybe it's not about, you know, why you should serve a mission. Maybe you just feel something that one of them needs to hear. So if you could just share whatever comes to your heart about your experience now and any message that you would share with them, that would be great. And then we will have the priesthood blessing. So Sister Gur, we'll start with you and just go down the line. Is that all right?
Yes.
Okay.
Any intention. By telling God that you're willing to do something for Him, I promise you He is going to give you so much more than you give Him. So whatever, there will always be a reason not to go. Because if you're
I'm from Utah. I've been serving my mission for 9 months, but I've been in SAMOA for 7? Yes, I've been in SAMOA for 7 months. I'm 20, so just I started my mission papers last year in February. I actually did not want to serve a mission. This was literally not in my plan at all. I did not see myself ever serving a mission, but I can truly testify that
If you don't mind,
Siang에.
to be a father of couplets.
Where Who's gonna be a grandfather? Yeah. Cameraman, wait.
Alo Sadie.
Sadie.
Watch out!
Oh,
Sorry.
sorry. Silofo. Silofo. Aka. Gas. Sailing. Gas 2 code. Gas 2 code. Gas, 2, kod. Only. Gas, 2, kod. Ya. Gas, 2, kod. Gas, 2, kod.
Alle video aanzien. En maar ja, omdat jullie zo lang waren. Oh ja. Minus.
Apa?
Like mangoes and pineapple. Oh yeah, like right through. So it was like super right after. And then if you wanted to add vanilla ice cream,
Ja.
it's so good.
Brett. Dat is wel vet dan.
Rewind that and then give me a flight and then
I think I would if I like wow. But I'm gonna like
the other one mine. Oh, that's so heavy. I know it's big.
Tira foto. Mas faz vídeo. Aí. Ya. Akka may umma. Ya, kira may umma. Gas, 2, kod. Gas, 2, kod. Malu. Gas, 2, kod.
Ya, tahu.
Dan sawi.
So that will help, right, a lot when it comes to be a member.
They don't stay in all four. They stay, but they come on the weekends too.
Are they students? Are they still in school?
아까리 뭐.
자,
Xong sợ vậy em một nghe.
Thôi, ăn không?
and money making.
And then we go like help the homeless like after that charity.
Isn't that
Work
John?
out again.
But I'm in break time. I only go jogging in the morning.
Like,
For 20 years.
yeah. No, it's already been like 30 years by now.
I guess. He's been wanting. He kept asking me. I'm like, okay. But now you ask.
Becky, hi, Kaya.
Đúng rồi, Ole. Robert Louis. The view is really
Go
pretty
do
up
it.
there.
When are we gonna do that?
Saturday. Saturday. You guys want to go Saturday?
What's Saturday?
What do you mean?
I'm trying to think what.
Do we have any?
My dad, he's got all his
Let's just see.
I'm trying to think.
Hey, when are we going to San
If we're going hiking. I ain't don't even care. I'm just gonna give you.
Like the cave, that big black thing. I had dinner with them.
Get you ready for your mission.
Well, you haven't motivated me.
How?
There's always motivation going around. I'm curious. What is going on? I'm asking him why.
Oh, thank you for taking my job because I was really
Good.
Why what? Why are you going? Is that like a mess for boys? But there's always like a reason.
Good.
More.
It's gone out good.
But then what you just said, it makes like people are forcing them to go. You know what I mean? But not having that like. I think what he meant by like God is good. Dedicating 2 years of his life. He's not serious about that. 2 years of his life, like to Heavenly Father, is like a way of giving thanks, right? For like the blessings in your life.
See a good example of you.
Mãi luôn.
Oye, plastic.
Mấy nghi phụ vậy gì?
Bingo. Bingo. Study.
That's what I was thinking.
Your second time to survive.
How far is it?
Very far. It's not far. Don't listen to her. She's never gone hiking. Why would you listen to her? I don't listen to her. Wait a minute. You're bad at it.
Okay, good. Right.
We're at her house a lot.
His mouth will literally like open like this. I know,
So how many, can you read all the names of the children?
Famliy, Althea, Famliy, the twins, which was a boy and a girl. Tai,
Ele,
Aso, Huleata, Swanu, and Alapasi.
and all the ones with stars died. So 9 children while they were serving their mission. 7 died. Then the 8th one,
Okay, so I'll be talking about the story of Grandma Althea. And so Grandma Althea went to this boarding school in
Viola.
and it was in the mountains, right up there. And then she got a letter saying that her mom, Letapu, was very sick. And so she went and walked 30 miles to go to the village where her mom and dad was serving, where Tasi and Letapu was serving. And there's this one part that she stumbled upon, which was a whole lava field.
Miles and miles of lava.
Yeah, a lot of miles. And she didn't know where to go. And so she prayed and waited. And
When she was 14 years old, Althea was going to school, and Viola was alive. She got a message that her mother was sick and that she needed help, but she was far away. So how far did Althea walk to find her mother?
30
miles.
When she got there, where was her mother? Even though she was sick, where was she? She was still on her mission. What was she doing when Althea got to Saleawa to come take care of her mother who was sick? What was her mother doing? Not yet. No.
I was helping others.
She was helping others. And then she died. And her husband, Tasi, went out. They're not far from the beach. And he dug a hole. And they wrapped his wife's body in a mat. And they put it in the hole. And they told Althea to go and find the baby, go and bring the baby, who was about Ali's age, exactly. And when Althea went to get the baby had died also. And so she brought the baby, and they opened the fala, they opened the mat, and they put the baby with the mother, and they wrapped them together, and they put them in the ground. And Tasi was standing there still with the shovel in his hand. So there was Tasi, there was 14-year-old Althea, and there were a few Latter-day Saints standing around the grave of Letapu and Alapati. You just summarize whatever you want to say about it.
You know, Grandma Fia is Salam. I know Pia,
Give it to me.
I know Madula, that's up. tasi ele se sunga mau kang wai le ai truka o va ai o eu foi a que eu al pati po kala ifola fala ba kang pa kasia tinale tapu no tsamo al pati.
So I want you to imagine this. You're not very far from the beach. You're the husband, Tasi. You've been serving almost 15 years. 7 of your 9 children have died. Now your wife has died. They're in the ground, in a hole. All you have left are your 2 daughters,